Traders, FS Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 23rd, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And gold came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on gold from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpepcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course all included for only $30 per month. So, anyways, gold made a very impulsive move down. There's been a lot of people trying to sell gold, so not really surprising. Definitely a couple little breaks of structure, so that's pretty important for us. I think it's very, very clear this is a 1, 2, 3 right here, so that's all probably a wave 3, which means that this should be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave A. I would expect to see a pullback next, probably something like that for wave B. You know, it could go anywhere between 38 and 78% of this move down, and eventually probably back down to either the 38 or the 50%. I think is the best area of interest for a potential wave C. I think it's an ABC of 4, and I still think it's going to at least make another attempt on the uptrend when it is ready. So we do have a pretty big day tomorrow. I mean, especially with how slow it has been this week for news. Well, first of all, we got the Bailey speaks this evening. Could possibly move the pound pairs for sure. But tomorrow is the PMI day. We got PMI news coming out pretty much all throughout the day for Europe, for the UK, and for US. So pretty big day because of that. A lot of these news events come out at different time throughout the day, so I would expect to see some pretty decent movement out of PMI tomorrow. Hopefully we can get a break of structure on those dollar pairs finally. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.